Hello everybody and welcome to another amazing Cinema 4D course. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know to rig a character in Cinema 4D using the character object. And I'm going to cover everything from the very basics to the more advanced stuff. And when I say everything, I mean everything. You're going to learn about character symmetry and character optimization. Then we're going to create the base rig using the character object in Cinema 4D. After that, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the character object so it fits your character. Then we're going to bind the character and the character rig together. After that, you're going to learn different techniques to properly weight your character. And to finish, we're going to pose our character in a running pose. Now, those are the main topics that I'm going to cover, but you will also learn about how to work with the clothed surface object when rigging a character, how to properly use the weight tool. You will also learn the basics of normalization and auto-normalization in Cinema 4D. And of course, I'm also going to teach you about Inverse Kinematics, also known as IK, and Forward Kinematics, also known as FK. So this course is over 8 hours long, and it is 8 hours long because it is packed with a lot of valuable information that you will be able to apply in any character rigging project that you work in the future. So by the end of this course, you will have a clear understanding of how the rigging process works in Cinema 4D, and you will also be able to create your own rigs for your own characters. So if you want to learn how to rig a character in Cinema 4D, this is the perfect course for you. And I know that you want to take this course, and you know that you want to take this course. So what are you waiting for? Click the Buy Now button right now, and I will see you inside.